Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Mart. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best heat press machines. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the Happybuy Heat Press 360 degree Swing Away Heat Press Machine. The Happybuy 8-in-1 digital swing away warmness press system offers a purposeful system for a variety of venture goals. It is applicable for a sublimation, warmth transfer, and picture switch, especially on gadgets including shirts, mugs, ceramic plates, mousepads, fabrics, caps, bags, puzzles, ceramic tiles, plates, and different flat surfaces items. With its versatile function, you may accomplish an immense load of projects and works in a short span of time. The full 360 degree rotation of swing away design and the overall variety strain adjustment knob permit the users to apply the gadget extra without problems. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Tankular 8-in-1 Heat Press Machine Digital Transfer Sublimation T-shirt Mug Hat Plate Cap. Tankular 8-in-1 Heat Press Machine is engineered with a microprocessor application manipulated to ensure that each work and craft is printed in its greatest finish. The processor heightens the picks to deliver first-rate and specific outputs. The heating plate comes in 15x12 that gives a handy location for the heat switch procedures. You can use it with shirts, caps, mugs, mousepads, and plates. It is likewise applicable for undertaking materials which includes cotton, fiber, steel, ceramic glass, and glass gadgets. To make certain you get a progressive float in your initiatives, this heat press gadget features an shrewd heat controlling chip that offers out a constant supply of power. At number 3, we have the Yescom 6-in-1 15x15 Digital Heat Sublimation Transfer Press Machine for T-shirt Mug with Gloves. The Yescom 15x15 Digital Heat Sublimation Transfer Press Machine capabilities and 6 one-of-a-kind makes use of. The exquisite heating plate gives efficient retention and hence, solid warmth and energy. You can use it for printing snapshots on shirts, mugs, caps, hats, ceramic plates, ceramic tiles, coasters, mousepads, puzzles, fabrics, and other substances that you need to work on. Whether or not it's for souvenirs, custom shirts, or presents, it comes with a complete variety pressure adjustment knob and complete 360 degree rotation of swing away layout that assist you to perform the device effortlessly. At number 2, we have the SuperDeal Pro 15x15 Digital Heat Press Clamshell Sublimation Transfer Machine for T-shirt. SuperDeal Pro gives a big surface and a clamshell layout to help you accomplish every custom mission in time. You can use it on flat surfaced items including shirts, plates, fabrics, luggage, mousepads, ceramic, and glass. You can print your favorite images or artworks and provide your craft a private touch. The heat platen makes use of Teflon that enables modify the heat and prevents scorching. The non-stick surface and excessive density heating board additionally do a tremendous process in stabilizing the heat. But in case you want to regulate the temperature and set it up on the highest quality warmth, you can accomplish that. The timer setting would also permit you to hold track of the technique inside an appropriate quantity of time. And finally, at number 1, we have the Promo Heat Sublimation Heat Transfer Press Machine Clamshell. If you're starting a small enterprise for warmth transfers and photo printing, the Promo Heat Warmness Press gadget is a great choice to try. First and fundamental, it comes with a practice ebook that guides you through the entire method, from the meeting to each feature. It becomes an awful lot less difficult to function with its complete range adjustment knob that allows you to regulate the thickness of the material even as urgent effortlessly. The warmness comes off always through the Teflon lined plate. The floor is non-stick and forestalls sizzling. It does no longer require any Teflon sheet or silicone to do the method correctly. You can also obtain a fantastic grate with the aid of getting everything completed in the adequate time and heat. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this heat press machines, You can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.